Wow, the garden is so pretty in the evening. Whoa, what are you? You're so soft and fuzzy.
Max, dinner time!
Coming, Dad.
Weird. My hand feels itchy. Why is my face bumpy?
What happened to my face?
Everyone will see me. They will laugh.
Good morning, Max. Time to get up.
Just a minute, Dad.
Max! Your face! What happened?
I don't know, Dad.
These spots, they're all over your face and neck.
It itches, Dad.
We need to go to the doctor. Right now.
I'm sorry, Dad.
We're going to the doctor right now.
Okay, Dad.
We'll be at the clinic soon.
I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't know.
We're here. The doctor will help.
Hello there. And who is this brave young man?
This is Max. He woke up with this rash all over his face.
These spots, they look like a reaction. Did you touch anything unusual?
I touched a fuzzy caterpillar in the garden. I wanted to see what it felt like.
So, the caterpillar was not being mean. It was just protecting itself.
Exactly right, Max. I'm just glad you're okay.
I'm sorry I didn't tell you before.
This will help the itching go away.
It feels so much better. Thank you, Doctor.
You're very welcome, brave boy. The rash will fade in a few days. Just keep the cream on and wash your hands after playing outside.
Thank you, doctor.
I will always remember. I promise I will always ask before touching something new.
That's a very good promise, Max.
I love you, Max.
I love you too, Dad.
You two are a wonderful team.
Thank you for everything, doctor. Let's go home.
Okay, Dad. I'm glad we went to the doctor.
When you see something new, you should always ask first. It's for your safety.
I think I understand now. The caterpillar wasn't bad. I just didn't know. Thank you for taking me to the doctor, Dad.
What a day, huh?
A good day. I learned something important. The spots are going away.
The garden will always be here. And now you know how to be careful.
I will always be careful with the garden. I'm sorry, little caterpillar. I didn't know. I will always ask first from now on.
I'm a star. Watch me.
We are watching, Daisy.
The sun is bright and the flowers are happy.
Very good, Daisy.
Yeah! You are so good!
Thank you, thank you.
Bravo, Daisy. That was amazing.
Look, Mom, the school.
Yes, sweetie. Are you excited?
I want to see the stage.
You look beautiful, Daisy.
I look like a real princess. Whee! I love this costume. Oh, wow. It is too big. I cannot do it. Sam, I can't.
Daisy, calm down. Breathe.
I forgot everything. I am so scared, Mom.
Shh. It is okay, sweetie. Try to remember, sweetie. Just one word.
I try, but my brain is empty.
The sun is.
No, I don't remember.
I have an idea.
What is it, Dad?
You draw pictures. Daisy looks at them.
I can do that! I draw fast! First picture, a happy sun. Flower, perfect. Now the bird. Done. Sun, flower, bird, house.
That is wonderful, Max.
Daisy, look at me. I have a plan.
A plan?
Just look at Max's pictures. They will help you what to say.
The pictures will help me remember. I will try. For everyone.
You can do it, Daisy!
Go on, dear. You can do it.
Okay, I am going. It is so dark. And so big.
Daisy! Look at the sun! Look at the sun!
That is not right. I need something else. But I need to know what to say first.
Flower! The flower!
The flower, yes! The flower in the garden is very happy.
Yes! She did it! Now the bird!
Good job, Max.
The bird flies high in the blue sky.
Yes! Next picture! Last one! The house!
And we all live together in the happy house. Thank you! Bravo, Daisy! That was wonderful!
I am so proud!
I did it! I really did it!
You were amazing!
Max, you saved me! We did it together!
I am so proud of you both.
My brave little girl.
We are the best team! I love everyone!
Look at all this amazing gear, Max. Today, we catch big fish.
Wow, Dad! So many things!
This rod is top quality. It can catch any fish.
Can I try it, Dad? These hooks are so sharp, Dad.
That's how we catch the fish, buddy.
Ready, Max? Adventure awaits.
Ready, Dad? Let's go fishing!
Here it is, Max. The perfect fishing spot.
It's so beautiful, Dad!
Let me just set this up perfectly.
Your gear is so fancy, Dad.
Now that's how you cast a line.
Whoa, that was so loud!
Why aren't they biting? I have the best bait.
Maybe you just need to be patient, Dad. Shh. I feel the fish thinking.
A boot? I caught a boot? Ugh.
At least you caught something, Dad.
I caught one. Look, Dad.
What? You caught a fish?
It's a real fish! I caught it with my stick!
How? What? But I have all this gear. Ugh. This rod is supposed to be professional.
Dad, you're scaring all the fish! 2 fish now. They like my simple stick.
I give up. This is impossible.
Dad, it's okay.
All this gear. And you caught fish with a stick.
Can I show you something, Dad?
Let me show you my secret. See this, Dad? Fish like shiny things. The foil reflects the sun.
That's brilliant. So simple.
The foil looks like a tiny fish swimming. They come to see it. They come to see it.
So, it's not about fancy gear? All this expensive gear? And a simple piece of foil catches fish.
Simple things work best, Dad.
Okay, I can do this. Be patient.
You're doing great, Dad.
I feel something. It's tugging.
That's the fish, Dad. Pull gently.
I caught one! A real fish!
You did it, Dad! I knew you could!
This is actually peaceful.
See? Simple is better.
I spent all that money, and a stick worked better.
You should always listen to me, Dad.
Best fishing trip ever.
Best fishing trip ever.
This rod is going in the garage.
I'll keep my stick, thanks.
Thank you for teaching me, Max.
Thank you for listening, Dad.
Let's get these fish home for dinner.
My fish, the simple ones.
I learned something important today.
Me too, Dad. Simple things are best.
You're the wisest person I know, Max.
I learned from the best, Dad.
Bye-bye, Lake!
The storm is very dark tonight.
Yes, it is so loud.
I don't like it.
Where is Max? The thunder is so loud.
Max? Are you scared?
The lightning is too bright!
I need comfort.
Max, I am here.
I am not brave.
You are brave.
Max is scared. That's okay.
Come here, sweetie.
Aww.
We can build a fort with blankets!
Yes, let's build it big and strong.
Here is a warm flashlight.
Bunny can help you.
And the frog said, boo, boo.
The thunder is so loud!
Hold my hand.
Oh, it stopped.
You are okay. You are so brave, Max.
Thank you, Dad.
We are all here.
Aww.
Thank you, Dad. I feel comfort.